everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, let's discuss how to request for leave allocation in Horilla. So a leave allocation request is a process where employees request additional leave days beyond their initial entitlement. So it's a formal procedure where employees submit a request to their manager or the HR outlining the reasons for needing extra leave and specifying the duration required. So let's see how we can create a leave allocation request in Horilla. For that, let's go to the leave module, and under the leave module, we have the leave allocation request. So let's go to leave allocation request. So in the leave allocation request, since this is an admin's portal, we can view the my leave allocation request where he'll be able to view all the leave allocations requests that were submitted by him, as well as leave allocation requests, where the admin will be able to view all the leave allocation requests that were created by the employees. And from here, he'll be able to view different details such as the employee name, the leave type, the requested days, the created by, the status, the description, the comment for any internal communication. He can add a comment over here. Like this, he'll be able to add the comment. And then if you want to update the request that was created by the employee, he can click on this edit button and he can perform any updation to the request that the employee has created. So we can see that the leave allocation request is updated successfully. And then if he wants to delete the request, he can delete the request from here. And then to approve the request, he can click on the approve over here, or to reject the request, he can reject it from here. So, and to view the complete details of the request at once, he can click on the employee, and here he'll be able to view all the detailed view of the request. And after viewing the details, he can either approve or reject the request from here itself. So now, to create a leave allocation request, we can click on the create button over here, and then we have to fill in the required details in the form, like the leave type. So let's add in the leave type, annual leave, and we have to give the employee. Either he will be creating for himself, or he can create for all the employees as well, since he's genuine. So from here we have to select the employee's name, and we have to give a requested days. So let's give the requested days as 7, and we have to give a description also. Leave allocation. And if you want to add any attachment, we can upload a file over here, and then let's save this request. So here we can see that the request has been created, and we can view the request under this leave allocation request over here. And for approving and rejecting, we can click on this approve and reject button from here. So this is how a leave allocation request can be created in Horilla. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.